PuniPuni Sundae tutorial. Rub a thin layer of the included Vaseline on the molds to create a barrier. Use a toothpick to fill in details. Let cure 2 hours at least to avoid mixing. Mix the rest of your gel and top up the molds. Let cure completely. If needed, push the gel into details with a toothpick. Cure 2 hours between layers to avoid mixing, or pour earlier for ombre or blending effects. You can swirl the gel like you can resin. If you overspill, you can cut away the flashing once cured. Demold by rolling the edges away from the mold until released. Layer your sundae. Add to our keychain bags to squish mess-free on the go.